My name's Billy Conometis. I'm a builder. I built a house, 2-storey at Wellington Point, and for that reason we put a lift in because we're getting older, and my wife has had 2 knee operations so far, and I'm about to have a couple, I think, and we could never live without it now. The company service was quite well. I had a few, I probably got 3 or 4 quotes to do the job, and they seemed the better one of the 2. And they weren't the cheapest, they weren't the dearest, but their service was quite well. So I was quite happy with that. And the other day they came and gave it a 6-month service, went right through it. I here about 3 hours, which is quite good. It can take about 3 people in it at once, at least. And it's very smooth and it works very well. I got that particular lift because we got one of my wife's cousins married to a man that's got multiple sclerosis, and he's in a wheelchair and he's getting worse. And we've got other friends too. I had a mate of mine that's got a daughter that's been in a wheelchair all her life. Well, if they come here, they can't come upstairs to visit. So that was one of the reasons why I got the lift in there. And secondly, like I said, my wife has had 2 knee operations, 2 knee replacements. And I'm just about to have 2 knee replacements. So as you're getting older, I love the house. I built it for us. It's a bit big for us probably, but I built it for us, and I don't want to leave here. So the only way I can't leave here is the lift. And you want a lift that's very reliable, so Elite Lifts do that job for me. The lift has impacted my wife and myself's life more than you can imagine. Groceries, just simple groceries, bringing all the groceries up. We've got a trolley we take into the lift. We unload all the groceries out of the boot into the trolley, into the lift and upstairs. Pull it straight into the kitchen and unload it. You can't get better than that. Our briefcases, we go to Greece once a year, and my wife overpacks every year. So all the stuff goes into the lift and downstairs, and it makes my life easier. That's the most important thing about Elite Lifts. I have already recommended the product and service to others already, and I would definitely recommend Elite Lifts to other people. The lift suits my home fantastic. It's tucked out of the way, you don't even know it's here, to be honest with you. As I've got it coming in from the garage and out in the entry upstairs, it blends in beautifully. Yeah, no, we couldn't live without it. It's unbelievable.